this out of the water. Not quite sure what it is. It was a nice designed bottle, full of water. I'll go and give it a rinse, see what it turns out to be. Well, there's the bottle cleaned up. It actually has writing on, and it says Martian Sons Barrow. It's an old pot bottle. I don't know how old it is. A beautiful bottle, a beautiful design. Look at the fluting on that at the top. I'll have to do a bit of investigation with this one. Oh, look at this. That. What a fantastic piece of glass. That's some sort of bowl. Quite a big one. Interesting to find though. Nice pattern on it. I don't know how old it is. It's nice to find. I've just found this lovely piece of pottery. You can see the design on that. It's still got the nice colours. Nice greens and yellows. Maybe it's some sort of Bess vase that somebody broken. Maybe a child ran past it, knocked it over, smashed it on the floor. I don't know. What a shame this isn't in one piece. What a shame. I'd love to know what that said. Fantastic. I wonder where it's come from, where the rest of it is. Interesting things. You can see as you look round, it's just covered in shards of pottery. Apologies for the camera, it's zooming in on the rain. It's just started raining, which is dogs don't mind, but we're getting drenched. Oh, bramble strikes again. What's this? Let's have a look. It's an old jar. There's no writing on it though. Just lying in the mud. You can see where it's sort of the mud's been eroded from around it. It's not a screw top, so it's quite old. I don't know if it'd been in a cork or maybe greaseproof paper. In one piece as well. A fantastic find. If you've watched some of my other videos, you'll know what this is. Let me give it a wipe. It's a Hartley's jam pot. So let me give it a rinse. You see the writing? Oh no, it's not. I tell a lie. It's, well, that's a new one. The Cooperative Wholesale Society. Ah, and I thought that was a Hartley's, very similar. It's a jam pot or a marmalade pot. And you can see around the top here, because they didn't have lids on, they had greaseproof paper. And the greaseproof paper would come over the top and a piece of string would be tied around here into this groove to hold the paper down. What a lovely find. Not seen that one before. Cooperative Wholesale Society. There we go. What a fantastic little piece. Billy is drenched, but he's absolutely loving it. So look at Bramble. She's not so bad. She has a double coat. She doesn't mind the rain. She loves getting wet. Surprised she's not been in the water. Oh, there we go. Look at that piece of stone. How it's stuck up in the water. What a strange thing to happen. See all sorts of strange, weird things down here. It's just the action of the tide. But it's lovely and strange to find. Here's Billy's toy. And there's the man himself. And just looking next to Billy, it wouldn't be mudlarking really, wouldn't, if we didn't find a boot. I think these are all quarrymen's boots. You quite find a lot. And here's another boot starting to be uncovered. Just see the eyelets at the top there. Fantastic. It just makes you wonder who wore them. What job at the quarry did he do? Was he a blaster? Was he a, I don't know, did he break the stone up? I don't know. In some of the other videos I've been finding parts of lamp fittings. Well, I've actually found the lamp here now. Look. Look at that. Lovely brass lamp. I wonder how old that is. It's been here a few years. It's full of sand. You can see that would have turned the wick up and down. It still works. Look at that. What a fantastic find. Incredible. I wonder how long it's been lying there. 100 years easily. Lovely thing to find. Now I don't know if you can see that bird. I'll point to it there. Ah, it's too small for my camera. It's actually a red kite. Wow. What a fantastic thing to see. I'm sorry I couldn't get a better picture for you. But yeah, it's a red kite. I saw the fork in its tail. It's interesting walking on the sand. Some days you come down and it's like walking on gloopy quicksand. And other days you come down and it's like walking on concrete. Strange how the patterns change, how the tide changes. This piece of wood here, where that's come from. Got some sort of notch in it here and a bit at the end. Got an old shipwreck, an old pirate shipwreck. Maybe there's treasure underneath it, Brambo, what do you think? Think we found gold? Maybe not. Interesting to find though, it's a big substantial piece of wood. Here's my little shadow, aren't you, flower? Can you smell? Anything good? No? Dope Mum has just found a piece of this lamp. Now you can see the lamp in the background. I'll put the two together to see if they fit. I don't know if they do or not. Let's have a see. Maybe it's the first time they've been together. No, I don't think they do. I don't know. It'd be nice to think they did. And they've been put back together for the first time in 100 years. I'm not quite sure. I'm not convinced. Looks nice though. Lovely thing to find. I wonder if we rub the lamp whether a genie will appear. Who knows? Maybe it's Aladdin's lamp and there's a genie trapped inside. Who knows? You can see how hard it's raining now. Look on top of the water. And we're absolutely drenched. There's water dripping off our noses. All in the pursuit of history. It's nice, it's a lovely day out. I think it has a beauty of its own when it's like this. It is wet though. Bramble! Come on, you! Come on, you! Bramble, come. Come on.